Electronic Stability Control (ESC) is likely a safety feature in your car. As implied by its name, this system electronically manages your vehicle's stability to help prevent skidding. Different ESC systems operate in various ways, but generally, they will automatically reduce the engine's power to prevent excessive skidding. Some systems may also apply the car's brakes if necessary. This helps maintain maximum grip when the car starts to skid, whether due to a slippery road surface or excessive acceleration, especially in tight corners. ESC is now a legal requirement, designed for your safety. For instance, on a very wet day, you might hit an unexpected puddle and start skidding. The ESC system will detect the sudden loss of grip and reduce power to help you regain control. However, it won't completely eliminate the risk of losing control. You still need to remain vigilant and handle your car's throttle carefully in hazardous driving conditions. ESC, also known as ESP, has been legally required for all cars sold in the European Union since 2014, and this requirement remains in effect for new cars sold in the UK post-Brexit. However, car manufacturers have been using this technology long before it became mandatory. ESC systems have been around since the 1980s and became more widespread in the early 2000s. Therefore, there's a good chance your car has some form of ESC, even if it's relatively old. Some cars allow you to turn off the ESC system, which can be useful for driving slowly up steep hills in snowy conditions. However, it's generally best to leave it on. If you decide to turn it off, be extremely cautious, as you'll lose the extra protection against skidding. Some cars, especially performance models, let you adjust the sensitivity of their ESC systems, often referred to as ESC Sport. What does it mean when the ESC warning light comes on? If the ESC warning light comes on while driving, it indicates that the system is active and has detected a loss of traction. This light should only appear briefly. If it stays on, there might be a fault with a sensor or the system itself.